Hello Jutta family again. So Yannis is with us on the way to the trash puppies. I named them, I'm sorry for that. He prepares our special food with rice and chicken, so he told us it's good for the belly, for the puppies. And you will see the puppies are very happy and playful. Ah, there we are. Now we will see, in German we say Raubtierfütterung. I don't know the English word for that. Ah.
Yes, it's very happy.
Yeah.
It's very, very happy. Oh!
Oh! Oh! Look at this. One has the feet in the bottle there. Yeah. Yannis, they like your food very much. They are so hungry, they eat a lot. 7 puppies. And they look much, much better. They got the first vaccine and in 5 days they got the next one. They need 3 vaccines. This is the quarantine area for them because of the parvovirus. Ah! What? Can you hear the noises? They are so hungry. They eat so much. Now Yannis is going to have some fresh new water. The puppies are not older than 4 or 5 weeks. They cries a lot for their mama. That's heartbreaking. But Yannis is at the shelter doing the best for the babies. We have some toys you can see here inside. And also a bed in the shadow, a big bed so they can sleep inside. Ah, here comes the water. Oh, they're so hungry.
Finish all.
Finish, huh? A little bit they have. Ah, now they have big bellies.
Yes.
This one have a very big belly here.
Very good.
Very good for them.
Lakaka, it's very good.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yes, that's true.
Now it's good.
Now they are much, much better than last week. Oh, look so cute they are.
Week, the second vaccination.
Yes, the second. They need 3 vaccinations?
In 2,
Yeah.
10 days.
10 days, okay.
The second vaccination. Good.
Good. And now you can have a sleep in your new bed.
Yes.
Yes.
Now it's good.
Oh. So, bye-bye for now.